this is a question about addition of an alkene. In this particular case, it is butene. So reaction of butene with deuterium bromide. Now don't panic when you see deuterium. The clue is given, it represents 2H. So it's a isotope of hydrogen, so consider it quite similar to HBr. Focus on the keyword, which is major product. So think about deuterium bromide quite similar to HBr. So if it was HBr, we know that the hydrogen of the HBr, in the case of unsymmetrical alkenes, the hydrogen of HBr would always attach itself to the carbon which carries more hydrogen atoms. So this is an example of an unsymmetrical alkene where the two carbons of the double bond are attached to different number of hydrogen atoms. So the hydrogen atom would have attached to the carbon carrying more hydrogen. Now, in this case, the question is about deuterium. So the deuterium would attach itself to the carbon, which has got more hydrogen, in this case, the first hydrogen. So this first carbon would have CH2 attached to a deuterium. So there is only one example whereby the terminal carbon has got CH2 attached to one deuterium. Now you've got an option here, CH2 attached to one deuterium. Now which of these is correct? You've got that CH2 attached to a deuterium as well. Which of these three is correct? Now if you look at the first one, the bromine is attached to the last one. That's not the case. The bromine should be attached to the next carbon. So the bromine should be attached to second carbon. So that's not the case. That's not the case because in this case, the bromine is attached to the third carbon. In this case, you've got bromine attached to the second carbon. So the correct answer is the C option.